Now sit back with your back against the seat and head against the headrest. And get ready to break the ice.
Weird situation, but somehow we're now on the back row. We'll talk about it later. We're hoping it'll be better than last time. As you can see, they took out the comfort collar.
Welcome back. Please
And it's no longer there.
unbuckle your seatbelt and carefully step over the orange and blue bar.
We're on the transfer track now. We're going to start with the backwards launch. We're going to be really positive about this experience.
Yeah. Whoop it!
Okay, here we go. Oh boy. Like, that was fun. That little hill was fun. I got a little air time there.
Better than last time.
It was like at least 8 times better than last time, I would say. In the back with the air. I think these restraints hurt. I don't like them. Because it's still like digging into my hips. I don't like them. But there was air time. There was air time. It was good. It's still short. It's just smooth. It's definitely better for families. And now that I know that it's for families, I can give it a lot more benefit of the doubt.
How'd you go?
It is like a mini Pantheon.
Baby. Yeah, we decided not mini because mini would have been like smaller or shorter.
This is true.
But this is the baby for babies. Babies Pantheon. So, that's it. And that was our last ride for the day. It's for babies. No, there was one part that I was like, oh, we're going. But for the most part, we were just... Oh, yeah.
Getting to that hill is...
I like the backwards airtime hill. That's like pretty much the best part of that.
I think that peak.
And then over the hill.
Yeah.
The rest of it's just but it's for babies, so.